Did you know you can earn $100 a day just by copy-pasting links on your phone or laptop? No skills, no investment, just a smart trick that anyone can use. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I made over $100 in just 24 hours using nothing but free tools and a copy-paste method. Let's go! First, go to Adstera or Manattack and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, look for the Smart Link option. This is where the magic happens. Now copy your smart link. This is the link you'll be sharing online. Whenever someone clicks it, you earn money. Simple, right? Next, paste your link in forums, WhatsApp groups, comment sections, or even create a Telegram bot that shares it. The more clicks, the more cash. Want faster results? Make a 30-second short video with your link in bio. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts can bring thousands of views. If you're ready to start earning, check the link in the description. I've also dropped a bonus method in my Telegram group. Don't miss it. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more smart income tricks every week. See you in the next video.